I love going to Surratt or the Commons, and I just get energy from being around the students.
I love being a part of Vanderbilt University because I get to see the mentorship that goes on day to day.
I love being able to talk and see the growth and development within our student body.
Just the people. I really love being able to collaborate so much with different areas across campus and be challenged by my peers to think and strive to be the best I can.
People are all in it together. That's really a great spot to start from.